This video I want to give you a side-by-side comparison of 3 highly rated 24-inch industrial fans. Now, I'm going to introduce them to you, then I'm going to turn them on so that we can see them all operate. Over here on the left, this yellow one is a Tornado 24-inch industrial fan. In the middle, we've got one by iLIVING, and the other yellow one on the right side is by a company called Bestron-Air, B-E-S-T-R-O-N-A-I-R. So you can see these do look similar, and again, they get good reviews. When you assemble these fans, the fan part comes already pre-assembled. What you basically are doing in assembly is having to put the little frame on and the wheels on, and you can see that they are very, very similar in their designs. One thing I like about all these, they do have a handle. This Tornado one does have 2 handles on it if you need to move it. Of course, it does have wheels. The wheels on these are very thin plastic. They're not great wheels, especially on the first 2. The Bestron-Air one does have a little bit better quality wheel on it. And the Bestron-Air plus the iLIVING one, they just have 1 handle, so you basically could grab that handle and roll it around. But they're not particularly that heavy, just to be honest with you. Let's talk about the power rating between all 3 of these. Similar ratings, but there is a difference. So the Tornado is actually the most powerful, and they rate these with a rating called CFM, which talks about how much air they're actually moving. The Tornado is rated at 8540 CFM. The iLIVING is at 7700, and the Bestron-Air is 8100. So your most powerful of these 3 is the Tornado. The other yellow one, the Bestron-Air, is 8100, and then the least powerful 7700. Not a noticeable difference, just to be honest with you, but we're going to turn them on. Another difference between them is that the 2 yellow ones both have 3 speeds, where the iLIVING one just has 2 speeds. Let's turn them on. We'll start over here with the Tornado on high speed. Sometimes on camera it looks like the fan's not actually moving that fast, but trust me, it is moving fast. And definitely putting out some serious air, and wants you to be able to hear the noise level. We'll try the other 2 real quick. This one just has 2 speeds, very, very comparable as far as the way it feels to me and the noise level. Third one in high speed. Just listening to it, I would say it's slightly louder than the other 2. 3 popular 24-inch fans. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you some of the